Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Galaxy Link. Here you can see this is universal LED TV backlight driver. You can see it clearly, and this is the back side. And here you can see the model of this driver, Gold-08ES. Then this is the input section, and these are all the output section. There are many pins are available to take output. Then here they are mentioned the input voltages from 12 volt to 26 volt max. 26 is the max voltage. Then here they are mentioned the pin namings, 2 VCC pins, then on off, then dim, then 2 grounds. The red color is for plus VCC, then black color is for ground, then yellow color is for enable voltage or turn on and off the voltage. Using this we can turn on and off the backlight driver. Without giving this enable voltage, this backlight driver will not work. So then the next pin is dim. Dim is used for adjust the brightness level of the backlight. So this is all about input section. Then these are all the output section we can take. Friends, before using this, you have to make sure that first you have to check your backlight voltage. If your backlight voltage is below 45 voltage, you can easily use this backlight driver. If you give more load to this backlight driver, it will run for some times, then it will be in dead condition. So in the next video I am going to show you how to install this backlight driver to any type of TV. So this is all about my video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.